What's good, YouTube, man? I done forgot my tripod, so I gotta hold the phone up. But yeah, though. Alright, so yeah, little rundown. We're finna go down. We doing a 5-7 swap on this joint. A 5-7 swap. So we got the front, the front cradle, the engine harness, the computers. Just doing it. Before we do this swap real quick, I'm finna show y'all a swap in a box, man. Shout out to Harbor Freight. I ain't sponsored or nothing, but this right here, this box, it's a 301. It's a 301 piece set, mechanic tool set. That's the box $200, $199.99, $200 for the box. These two impacts, and they come with a battery and a charger, and it's the big battery. I just had to get two new ones because I lost my other ones. I just had these though, like literally both of them. But anyway, this one the one come with the battery and the charger. It's a 1/2-inch impact, like 1,000 foot-pound torque. It's like 159. It's $160. This one right here, $45. So do the math. It's gonna come out to about 420. About $450. What it's gonna come out to. So basically, $450. That's all you need to do your swap, tool wise. Of course, you're gonna need jack stands, and you're gonna need it comes with supplies too. Actually, I was gonna say tunnel locks and stuff like that. My bad. Damn. But anyway, though, yeah, finna swap this joint. It's a 2016. Why I feel like my camera's so close? It's a 2016 V6 Chrysler 300C, and it's finna get a 5-7 swap. So yeah, stay tuned, y'all. All right, man. Just got the joint out. Just got the V6 down on the ground, man. Damn. Gonna pull this bitch out. Front subframe dropped off. Yeah, man, 5-7, hit me. Finna go in there 300 Chrysler. See what just came out. We go 3.6 to 5.7, man. Let's get it. This how you do it. Damn, this shit by the hell. This shit too fucking bite.
Let me tell y'all what's going on, man. So,
let's see what's going on.
We've been in the lab. We've been putting this bitch under construction, man. Came in 2016 V6 Chrysler 300 V shit.
Hello,
like,
let me show on the V shit real quick.
Yeah. Show them, look.
3.6, man.
Look.
3.6.
Show them this. Show them right here. Come right here. Look at that. 1, 2, 3. That's no good.
No bueno.
No good where we from. So bring them over here, Trey. Bring them over here.
Show them what's good.
We got 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's back there. It's back there. So we added 2 more cylinders to this bitch. Came in 20,000. I said 20,000. Came in 2016 V shit. Running, driving. Dropped the V shit. Located the motor on Facebook Marketplace. And man, I know we picked up the camera late, but this is just the first swap we putting on camera, guys. We got plenty more lined up. We got plenty more coming, you feel me? It's me and Trey. We're a 2-man team. Man, we travel, we come to you. You can bring it to us however y'all want to do it, man. But, y'all don't laugh at that. But, like I said, bro, we just had us a lunch break. We got this bitch up in here. I got it lined up pretty good. So I'm hoping all we have to do is just go up with the engine horse and go up on the back of the transmission, raise it up all level together, put our subframe bolts in there, and then we go around, hook everything up, and hopefully we'll get it running tonight, guys. I mean, we just dropped the motor. The V6 we just showed y'all, we dropped. Yesterday we started around what, about 5 or 6 o'clock?
7.
We was through last night. We cut out last night about 10:30. The motor was dropped. I woke up this morning and started early. I slid the motor out. Oh, man, we just put the new one in. So, 2 days, guys.
2 days.
If we get everything goes how it's supposed to tonight. 2 days, man. We did this V8, V6 to V8 swap. And, man, we really just picking up this camera just to show y'all, bro, like, show y'all what we all about, man. We about the quality. We about being time efficient, cost efficient. Hell, we just super efficient, bro. I don't know. Well, I ain't gonna say I don't know if it get no better, man, but come holler at us, bro. Yeah.
That bitch in there, though.
That V8, Mopar madness, baby. Y'all know we Mopar crazy around this bitch. We got a Mopar addiction. If it's one thing we gonna do, that is Mopar. We might not wash our ass, but we Mopar. We might not brush our teeth, but we Mopar. We might not change drawers and socks or clothes, but we Mopar. Mopar on, baby. V8 on.
Yeah, man. Got that 5.7 in there.
Yeah.
5.7 swap Chrysler. Came in V6, V6. Y'all see it. See how that bit look? Yeah, I'm finna do some more shit. Oh yeah, that's how we working. Cool little too. And guess what? Y'all don't see no check engine light. We gotta bleed the brakes. Alright. Yes, 138. That help warming up. Yeah, man, the 5.7 swap. Knocked out. Swapped in. Gonna go to the customer tonight. Yeah. Y'all hear her, she sound good. This is just a motor and engine swap. Not a full swap. Yeah. Baby time.
Talk about something, that hoe moving your work fast. Man, you gonna get your shit done, man. I'm trying to tell you.
What you came in with?
Came in with a 3.6, left out with a 5.7.
Yeah. Yeah, that is tight.